Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming that the webcam is powered, connected via a good USB cable, and the firmware is up to date. Install the current OBS release and any required vendor drivers so the device is recognized. Once done, make sure other applications aren't holding the camera, close conferencing apps, and check your operating system's camera permissions. Now open OBS, create or select a scene, and we'll add the video source. This is the actionable first step that gets the signal into OBS. In OBS, click the plus icon under Sources and choose Video Capture Device, then pick your webcam from the device dropdown so OBS can receive its feed. Next, set the resolution and frames per second to match the camera's native output. This avoids scaling artifacts and reduces CPU load. Turn off or enable buffering depending on latency needs, and confirm color format. Also select the correct audio input, built-in microphone or external, and set sample rate and monitoring so audio stays in sync with video. Position and crop the webcam in OBS Preview, then lock the transform to prevent accidental moves. Apply filters for color correction or noise suppression as needed. Once placed, optimize performance by matching base and output canvas, enabling hardware encoding if available, and adjusting YUV or color accuracy to balance quality versus CPU usage. If you have no video or choppy frames, check USB power and cables. Try a different port, reboot OBS and the camera, and test the camera in.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.